Hello and welcome to another episode of Isco Talk. So we have our second Ninebot MAX G2 out of all five. This one actually looks absolutely the worst. It was being heavily abused. Those screws are quite damaged. I'm not going to be even bothered opening this. But this scooter actually has one problem that I should open a battery cover. But yeah, I'm not going to do it now. Okay, let's go from top to bottom. First thing, yeah, you can hear that. Of course, play on a front suspension, but this one's actually quite noisy. It didn't snap. I don't know what's the mileage on the scooter. I'd like to check it out, but unfortunately, there's a problem with the dashboard that I'm just going to explain in a moment. Okay, now another problem that this scooter has is, well, when I plug it in, it's not charging. Okay, so built-in charger, Mickey Mouse plug. I'm sorry, this is the only way like I could have actually properly fit it on the table. When you plug it into a charger, the display should come on and it should start showing you charging progress. You should get some kind of a signal, beep, whatever. Unfortunately, nothing there. Okay, the brilliant thing about the Ninebot MAX G30, Ninebot MAX G2, and Ninebot MAX G3 that it also supports external charger. On MAX G3, you're going to be actually able to use both chargers at the same time and recharge the scooter in only 2.5 hours. Absolutely brilliant, okay? But all those details you can find in my Ninebot MAX G3 video. Here, the brilliant thing is, I plug in external charger, the light on the charger turned red, scooter turned on and started beeping. That beeping is an error 14. Okay, let me try and shut it down. Okay, managed to switch it off. So we're going to go to error 14 in a split second. So if you're buying a scooter, okay, scooter is dead, doesn't charge. This is how you can actually check. You know, if it is sitting for too long time, not being used, it's not going to turn on. But if it's not too long time, probably the battery just went into, sleeping mode. You plug in a charger, scooter should wake up. Okay, now, so that's another problem. I'm not going to be bothered with that. I'm not going to be bothered repairing this scooter too much. I'm just going to make it drive. That's the plan. And then when I'm done with it, crack open a battery cover and take out the battery controller and all the working parts. So you might maybe use that as a tip. What's my plan for this particular one? Okay, and now the last thing is that error 14. Okay, so error 14 is usually a throttle error. And error 14, so it's throttle, 15 is brake lever. If you have a throttle brake lever dashboard repair on most of the Xiaomi scooters, at least in older models, or Ninebot MAX G30, in most cases that's going to be 15 minutes to maximum half an hour. Not on this. I wanted to make a video yesterday. I gave up because it took me an hour. Yes, I was doing it for the first time and it took a little bit longer, but I completely understand why mechanics hate engineers. The rubber plugs in there, I might do a video some other time, but I'll need to heavily edit it in order to avoid making that video 1 hour long, and I don't actually like to do those things. I actually, especially when it comes to repairs, I want to see you actually me doing a repair instead of cutting out difficult things. It's not my style, but I'm thinking an hour video, who's gonna watch that? It's probably gonna be a waste of mine and your time, because you're not gonna be watching an hour video. No way. Most of people won't. I sometimes only watch an hour video if it's interesting enough. Replacing a throttle on a Ninebot MAX G2 is definitely not interesting, okay? So, anyways, might do it, but interesting thing, in a rare occasion, error 14 and error 15 could be a dashboard. And that's the case here. Yeah, so I took a different handlebar from one of the other scooters that actually has another problem, but I'm going to be talking about those scooters and their problems in the next video. In the next video, we're going to go through all the scooters and all of their problems, and then individually, I'm just going to check this lovely fork because I'm pretty sure that they all have a plate. So yeah, where was I? So yeah, on this one, it's a dashboard. So it won't be a quick fix, even that I actually wanted to do a quick fix and then do that special episode with maybe this scooter. But no, I'll need to get the dashboard. Across all of those 5 customer returns, one of the problems is actually that all of them are registered to the account. Nobody unbind their scooter from their account, so I can't connect to the official app. And then another problem is that all of them are locked. So well, not all of them, 3 of them are actually locked and have that passcode that I don't know combination, so I need to find a solution for that. That's the plan. One of the idea is maybe to try, because I have an Ninebot MAX G2, maybe to try use that dashboard to try and change a serial number, because I tried to change a serial number, because changing a serial number should unbind it, remove it from that account, and then I should be able to register. But since it has also that passcode, 3 of them have a passcode, I can't even connect to them. So for that, I'm gonna maybe either try a Ninebot MAX G30 display on Ninebot MAX G2, so that I maybe might be able to connect. If that's not gonna be working, then I'll just need to order new dashboards. There is some hacking options that I tried already, but they are not working, so there's no point of me making video about it and waste your or my time. Anyways, if you have a Ninebot MAX G2, any problems with them or any video ideas, leave them in the comment section down below. If it's anything regarding handlebars, I'll be honest, I'm not in the mood of doing that, but I might maybe do, actually, let's say maybe one long episode where then I'm going to take it apart and show you how to actually replace, display and the brake lever and indicators and throttle. That would maybe be worth a 1 hour episode, but let me know in the comment section down below, would you actually even watch something like that? Because the worst thing for algorithm is for me to make an hour long video and then most of people watch only 1% of that video. That way algorithm is going to be absolutely destroyed and it's going to destroy my channel, and I'm not planning to do that. So if you made it so far and want to support my work and help our algorithm, leave your comments down below, hit a like, maybe share it with some of your friends. If you didn't, maybe consider subscribing, because, well, that's one of the things that motivates me making these videos. Anyways, that's gonna be all. Till next time, guys, please stay safe out there and respect other road users. Bye bye.